Good morning, friends. This is Abhishek Jain. So today I am come up with a new problem that is given by last year paper of InfyTq. Identify palindrome problem. So in this problem, he just discuss about for a given positive number num, identify the palindrome formed by performing the following operations. So we want to done some operation by using palindrome. So friends, firstly we come up with the point that what is palindrome. So friends, I select this part of the code that 456 is not equal to 654. Why it is not equal? 456 and its reverse 654 is not equal because their numeric value is not equal. So this is not a palindrome. So what is palindrome? Palindrome is a number when its reverse is its equal in a numeric form. So friends, now comes on a question. So add num and its reverse. That's a positive integer. Num, what is num? It is a given positive number. So we want to add positive number that num with its reverse firstly. After sum it, we check whether the sum is palindrome or not. We don't check the number is same. If the number is 195, we don't directly check it is palindrome or not. Firstly we find its palindrome, which is 591, and add with 195, then its sum is 786. Now we check it 786 is palindrome or not. So its reverse is 687. These both of them has different numeric value, so this is not equal, so this is not a palindrome. So we add again 786 and 687. Now we get 1473. Its palindrome, its reverse digit is 3741. It is also not equal, so we find its sum, which is 5214. Now 5214 is 4125. It is also not palindrome, so we again repeat that process, and now we get sum is 9339, which is perfect palindrome. So friends, now we stop the loop and print that answer 9339. Comes on next input, which is 1 to 4. In 1 to 4, we first calculate the sum by finding its palindrome. Its reverse digit is 421, so we sum up these and repeated this stage, and then we get 545 after breaking the loop. We also check all these inputs and outputs in our code, but firstly we consult full code. So friends, this is 4. When we add 4 its reverse 4, it is 8, and 8 is a palindrome, so we can't go further and we print 8 in our output. Friends, now comes on coding part. In coding, I code earlier because it takes much time to code on this video, during the video. So friends, firstly I take an input in string format str, so I take str. Now I'm create a function check palindrome. It check the number, the specific number is and its reverse is equal or not. If it's equal, then it's written true. If it is not equal, then it's written false. So it is a check palindrome. It is a simple function. So friends, I am use while loop, which is repeatedly run when the condition is true. If the condition is false and there is any break in the condition, it will out of the loop and print the sum. So friends, firstly I take sum as 0. I take instant 0, and then I convert n into strn. The n value I get it into input, and I convert it into string format. Now I calculate the sum, int convert n into int, and it's in inverse. This is a string formatting condition which is used to reverse the digit. It always reverse string, so I firstly convert the number into string, then that string reverse string into number. Why int? So friends, now I check the condition if the sum is palindrome or not. So if check palindrome str, so I send from here str's string sum, so that is here comes in the str form, and it easily convert reverse and equal. If it equal, then it return true. So if the condition is true, then loop is break. If the condition is not true, I assign sum into n, and then loop is again run, then sum equal to 0, then same condition is again and again done. So I now I check if this code is right or not. So friends, firstly comes to cd InfyTq, and then this code name is pal.py. So firstly we take simple input 4, so we get an answer 8. So why we get 8? 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 is a perfect palindrome. So loop is out, and it print 8. Now we take 124. It is 545. So when loop is broke? Loop is break when there is palindrome is come. So this condition is checked for it. Now we check our final input, which is 195. So it takes 9339.